Hello, welcome to this InsightLearning video. Today we're going to be introduced to fractions. First, let's look at the makeup of a fraction. So, we've got the numerator on the top, which is 3. We've got the denominator on the bottom, which is 9. And the line in the middle is called a dividing line, or the technical term, which you don't really need to know, is the vinculum. So this is how a typical fraction looks like. Now, let's see how we'd represent a fraction. So we've got this pi type thing here. So 2 out of 6 pieces altogether are shaded in. So how would we represent this? As 2 are shaded in, we make the 2 our numerator. 2 would be our numerator. Then we have to put our dividing line. And then as the 6 pieces all together, we'd make 6 our denominator. Quite simple, right? Now, there's different types of fractions. So the first type of fraction we've got is a proper fraction. A proper fraction is when the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So in this case, 1, which is the numerator, is smaller than 8, which is the denominator. So I'm going to draw a little diagram to represent this. Okay, it's very small, but there's 8. I made 8 pieces altogether because 8 is the denominator. So as 8 is the denominator, altogether there's 8 pieces. So as 1 is the numerator, I'm going to shade in 1 of these pieces. Okay, let me just try. Why does it keep on shading in the whole thing? Yeah, so I'll shade in 1 of these pieces. So as 1's the numerator, 1 is shaded in, and as 8's the denominator, there's 8 pieces altogether. Now I've got an improper fraction. An improper fraction is when the numerator is larger than the denominator. So 8 is the numerator, which is larger than the denominator, which is 6. So let's represent this. As 6 is the denominator, we have to split it into 6. So it's saying we need to shade 8 out of these. So I've tried shading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but we need to shade 8. There's no 8 pieces in here, so we need to do another one. And split it into 6 once again, as 6 is the denominator. So we have to shade, so we've already shaded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as we need to shade 8, we need to shade 2 more to make 8. So that's an improper fraction. This can be also represented as a mixed number, which brings us to our next type. This is a mixed number. This is when a whole number and a fraction are put together. So you've got 1 and 2/6. So 1, it means one whole number. So in this case, 1 whole pi. So we've got 1 whole pi here, and we've got 2 out of 6. So 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, as 6 is the denominator. So this improper fraction and this mixed number are technically the same thing, but they are represented in different ways. So what we've learnt today is that there's 3 types of fractions and how to show them. What the numerator and denominator look like, and different parts of a fraction. Hope this helped. Bye.